In this scene, we will cover the basics of dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online business model that allows you to sell products without handling inventory or shipping. It involves partnering with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. This means you don't have to worry about buying inventory upfront or storing inventory in a warehouse. In this scene, we will show you how to set up your dropshipping business. You will learn how to choose a niche, find suppliers, create a website, and optimize your store for conversions. We will guide you through the process step by step, and provide valuable advice that will help you succeed in the competitive world of dropshipping. In this scene, we will discuss how to effectively market your dropshipping business. We'll cover different strategies such as social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. You'll learn how to create high-converting ads, target your ideal customers, and measure your campaign performance. By the end of this scene, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools needed to promote your business effectively.